Hi, I'm Janine Igliane with the home selling team of Randy and Janine at Keller Williams, and I'd like to welcome you to our new listing here in Remington Heights of Queen Creek. This home at 19431 East Canary Way is move-in ready and beautiful. We have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1723 square feet of living space, and it sits on a lot size at 6,580 square feet. This home has brand new carpet as well as brand new granite in the kitchen, not to mention this beautiful backyard with a pool. Come on and take the tour with us. Thank you for taking the tour with us. I hope you noticed the premium location on a cul-de-sac lot, as well as all of the other upgrades in the home. For more information on this home or any other home in Queen Creek, you can reach us at our website at teamrandyandjanine.com, or you can like us on Facebook under the home selling team of Randy and Janine, or you can call me directly at 480-298-0910. Thank you. See you next time.